The enmity of the Yahud towards Islam and its people, in other words Muslims, is not new. It is not a recent phenomenon. Rather, it's an ancient hostility and deep-rooted hatred. The Quran has clearly shown the true nature of the Yahud, and it has described them in great detail. They are a small group. They're a small group who spread corruption through the land. This enmity that the Yahud have towards Islam and Muslims will never come to an end. Never. The Yahud have an ancient and dark history of bloodshed and breaking covenants and treaties. After all, they are the killers, the murderers of prophets and the righteous. They bomb buildings under the cover of darkness, and they kill men, women, and children. Not even fetuses in the wombs are safe from them. Never be afraid to describe the Yahud, the real enemy, the way that Allah Jalla wa Ala has described them. If Allah had willed, He could have taken vengeance upon them Himself, but He ordered armed struggle. Listen! He ordered armed struggle to test some of you by means of others. And those who are killed in the cause of Allah, never will He, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, waste their deeds.